Hi, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Look what I have. FabFit Fun. My subscription on a yearly basis. You get to customize some of your things, and it's been such a long time, I forgot what I customized. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. It's a good box. It's a good size box. And it's a little on the heavy side. So the first thing I see in here is a magazine, and it's fun to relax and to look at things. And in here it will list all the products that are in your box and the price of each item. Now if you subscribe just quarterly, I believe it's $49, but you get a better rate if you subscribe for the year, and then you also get to customize your box a little bit. So let's see what's in here. Alright, if you would like to subscribe to FabFitFun, you can get $15 off of your first box by using lowercase c 5 dash lowercase c g 2 and lowercase m, and go to FabFitFun.com and enter that code, and you'll get a discount on your first box. And then there's HelloFresh coupon in here, $20 off your first 4 deliveries and free shipping. That's a deal. I have done HelloFresh in the past, and I do like it. When you come home, you don't really have to think about what it is that you're going to make for dinner, because everything is right there for you to create something nice and fresh. Alright, let's take a peek. Right, so the first thing I have are exfoliating sugar cubes. And oh, they smell like a nice fresh apple. So what you do is you take one of these cubes into the shower with you, and it tastes good enough to eat. It does. Take it into the shower, break it up in your hand, and then just give yourself a scrub down. It's called a juice cleanse. And the juice cleanse retails for $16. The next thing in the box is by Aveda. I love Aveda. I really do. Daily Hair Repair. This is a $30 product. So if the box costs $49 and this is $30 plus this, you've already paid for your box. It has that Aveda custom fragrance. I love that fragrance. I'm really happy this smells like that fragrance that I just love. I would love to be able to know what it is so I could mix it up myself. I need an Aveda recipe. So the next thing that we have in here is a Humankind body souffle. It is vegan and cruelty free. I am not going to open this up because it's a body moisturizer, and I have some already opened, and so I just want to keep this fresh for as long as possible. And this sells for $18. Oh, I think this was something I customized, and it's a salt and pepper grinder. I don't know if it comes filled or not. It probably doesn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't. So there you go. It's a handsome looking kitchen item. And this sells for $21. If I didn't need this, it would make a very, very nice gift. So the next thing in here is something from Skin & Co. And it is a toner for your face. Oh, it smells nice. Everything smells nice. And that retails for $30. Gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. Sounds like it does a lot. Okay, another thing that's in here is a cleanser scrub mask by the Better Skin Company, and that retails for, let's see, this is $32. And once again, I am not going to open it because I want it to stay fresh. This is something that I customized, and what it is a lunch bag. But that is not why I got it. I got it to use as a makeup bag when I travel. It's all lined on the inside. Can fit a lot of things in there. Nice and compact. Has a handle. All ready to go. And this sells for $30. It's from Kate Spade. I want to go fill it up right now and go take a little vacation. And the last thing in here is something else that I customized. And it's a scarf. My colors, black and white. Oh, it's nice and wide and long. It's a wrap. So there you go. And this retails for $75. At the end of the video, you will see, well, you'll see it. I'm going to put the total value of the box. And thank you for spending time with me. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.